Teladoc Health is transforming healthcare by making it virtual. It connects you with doctors and therapists through your phone, tablet, or computer. No waiting rooms, no travel. Teladoc brings the doctor's office to you, offering quick access to care for common health issues. It's a comprehensive virtual healthcare company, operating 24/7 with a network of licensed professionals. Whether you need a general practitioner, a specialist, or mental health support, Teladoc is available anytime. The goal? Make quality healthcare accessible and affordable for everyone, everywhere. For non-emergencies like colds, rashes, or prescription refills, a virtual visit can be just as effective as in person. Teladoc also supports ongoing care for chronic conditions and mental health. By offering these services remotely, Teladoc is redefining what a doctor's visit looks like in the 21st century. Millions have embraced this approach for its convenience and immediacy. It's healthcare that fits your life, not the other way around. Teladoc is part of a major shift, making healthcare a seamless part of daily living. Welcome to the future of medicine. Getting started with Teladoc is simple. Create an account online or via their app, fill out your basic info and medical history, just like new patient paperwork, but from your couch. Once set up, log in and choose the type of care you need: general medicine, mental health, or a specialty. Describe your symptoms, upload photos if needed, and submit your request. Teladoc connects you with a licensed doctor in your state, usually within minutes. Consultations happen by phone or video chat, just like a regular doctor's visit. The doctor reviews your info, asks questions, and makes a diagnosis. If needed, they send a prescription to your pharmacy. Afterward, your visit details and notes are saved in your account for easy access. The process is fast, often under an hour from start to finish. No travel, no waiting rooms, no hassle. It's healthcare on your schedule. Teladoc removes traditional barriers to care. Teladoc's biggest advantage is convenience. Consult a doctor from anywhere, your home, work, or while traveling. No more taking hours off or sitting in waiting rooms. It's a game changer for busy parents, professionals, and those in rural or remote areas. Teladoc breaks down barriers, bringing care to people who might otherwise go without. It's also vital for those with mobility issues or who are homebound. You don't need insurance. Anyone can sign up and pay per visit with transparent pricing. Available 24/7, Teladoc fits unpredictable schedules and urgent needs. Whether it's midnight or a holiday, you can get medical advice fast. Peace of mind and timely care are always within reach. That's the power of virtual healthcare. Teladoc covers a wide range of non-emergency medical needs. Everyday care includes colds, flu, allergies, rashes, and more. Doctors diagnose, treat, and prescribe when appropriate. Mental health support is a major feature, offering therapy and psychiatric care from home. This privacy and convenience help more people get the support they need. But Teladoc isn't for emergencies. Chest pain, severe symptoms, or anything life-threatening requires 911 or an ER. Teladoc can't do physical exams, lab tests, or x-rays, so it's not for complex cases. You'll need a reliable internet connection and device. Technical issues can happen, and some people still prefer in-person visits. Think of Teladoc as a supplement to traditional care, not a replacement. Use it wisely for the right situations. Teladoc visits are often less expensive than urgent care. With transparent pricing, insurance may cover it, or you can pay a flat fee. It's ideal for busy people, students, rural residents, and anyone seeking discreet mental health support. The main benefits: convenience, accessibility, and affordability for common health issues. Drawbacks: not for emergencies, no physical exams, and it relies on technology. Teladoc isn't a replacement for your primary doctor, but a smart supplement for urgent, non-critical needs. My recommendation: use Teladoc for quick, reliable care when you need it most. Keep a relationship with your primary care physician for annual checkups and complex health management. Teladoc is a valuable tool in modern healthcare. It brings medical advice to your fingertips, anytime, anywhere. Used wisely, it's an excellent addition to your healthcare toolkit.